There's something strange about the number $20,000. It's not a million. It's not even six figures. It's not the kind of number that makes headlines. But once you cross it, everything changes. Not just your bank account, not just your options. Your mindset changes. Your confidence changes. Your opportunities change. And here's the part nobody talks about. Things don't just get better after $20,000. They accelerate. Because $1,000 proves you can save. $5,000 proves you're disciplined. $10,000 proves you're serious. But $20,000? That proves you've built momentum. And momentum is where real wealth begins. So, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly why everything changes after $20,000 financially, psychologically, and strategically, and how you can use that shift to move toward $50,000, $100,000, and beyond. If you care about building real financial momentum and you want simple breakdowns like this every single week, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and give this video a thumbs up. You don't want to miss what's coming next. By the end of this video, you'll understand why $20,000 is a financial tipping point, the hidden advantages that unlock at this level, the mindset shift that separates savers from wealth builders, and exactly what you should be doing once you hit it. Whether you're at $2,000, $12,000, or already past $20,000, this is the stage where things start working for you instead of against you. And once you see it, you won't look at money the same way again. Number 1, $20,000 buys you time. And time, like we know, is power. Before $20,000, money feels fragile. One car repair, one medical bill, one unexpected expense, boom, you're stressed. But once you cross $20,000, something powerful happens. You stop reacting. You start choosing. You can leave a bad job without panic. You can handle emergencies without debt. You can wait for better opportunities instead of grabbing the first one available. And that changes your entire decision-making process. When you're not desperate, you negotiate better. When you're not pressured, you invest smarter. When you're not afraid, you think long-term. $20,000 isn't just money, it's breathing room. And breathing room is the foundation of smart financial moves. If you're already starting to see money differently, that's exactly what this channel is about. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss our weekly deep dives that help you think smarter about your finances. Number 2, your money starts making noticeable money. Let's talk the simple math. At $1,000 invested with a 7% annual return, you earn $70 a year. Nice, but not life-changing. At $20,000, that same 7% earns you $1,400 per year. That's real. That's noticeable. That's momentum. And here's where it gets exciting. When your money starts producing 4-digit returns, your brain shifts from how much can I save to how much can I invest. That's the turning point. Because now growth isn't theoretical. You can see it, you can measure it, you can feel it. Compound interest stops being a concept and starts becoming a reward. And once that clicks, you stop spending impulsively because you understand the opportunity cost. Spending $1,000 isn't just $1,000 anymore. It's future gains, it's growth, it's leverage. That awareness alone can double your financial progress. And if you enjoy breaking down money in a way that actually makes sense, subscribe now. We drop practical, no-fluff finance lessons every week, and they build on each other. Number 3, your identity changes. This one is subtle, but it might be the most important. Before $20,000, you might say, I'm trying to get better with money. After $20,000, you start thinking, I'm someone who builds wealth. And identity drives behavior. When you see yourself as an investor, you act like one. When you see yourself as disciplined, you protect your progress. When you see yourself as financially capable, you make stronger choices. Money at this stage becomes less emotional, less chaotic, less reactive. You've proven to yourself that you can manage it. That confidence compounds even faster than interest does. By the way, if you're serious about becoming someone who builds wealth consistently, make sure you're subscribed. Consistency in learning is just as powerful as consistency in investing. Number 4. Opportunities start opening. Here's something most people overlook. Certain opportunities require capital. Not millions, not hundreds of thousands, just enough to participate. With $20,000, you can max out retirement accounts strategically, invest consistently in diversified assets, start a small business without debt, put a down payment on certain properties, invest in skill building that increases income. Below $5,000, many of these options feel out of reach, but at $20,000, they become realistic. Here's the hack. Opportunities create more opportunities. Investing leads to knowledge. Knowledge leads to confidence. Confidence leads to bigger decisions. It's a flywheel effect. And that's why you want to stay plugged in. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the weekly strategies that help keep your financial flywheel spinning. And $20,000 is often the point where the wheel starts spinning on its own. Number 5. You stop living paycheck to paycheck even if you still work. This is huge. Why? You might still have a job, you might still rely on income, but psychologically you're no longer trapped, you're buffered. That buffer reduces stress, and reduced stress improves performance. You negotiate salary better, you invest in yourself, you think about side income strategically instead of desperately. Ironically, having savings makes you better at earning more because you're operating from fear, and fear is expensive. If you're getting value from this so far, that's your sign to subscribe. Every week we share insights designed to reduce financial stress and increase clarity. Number 6. The gap to $50,000 feels smaller than the gap to $20,000. This part surprises people. Getting from $0 to $20,000 is hard. It requires behavior change, discipline, consistency, sacrifice. But once you hit $20,000, you've already built the habits. Now it's just repetition. And here's the secret. The first $20,000 is behavior-driven. The next $30,000 is momentum-driven. Because now your money is contributing, your systems are in place, your identity supports the goal. So growth speeds up. And when growth speeds up, motivation increases. That's why everything changes even more after $20,000. And trust me, you'll want to be here as we break down the next milestones too. Hit subscribe so you don't miss upcoming videos on $50,000, $100,000, and beyond. So, what should you do after you hit $20,000? If you're approaching or just crossed $20,000, here's your game plan. First, protect it. Make sure you have a proper emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses, high-yield savings if needed. Second, invest consistently. Broad market index funds, retirement accounts, long-term strategy. Simple beats complicated, every time. Third, increase income intentionally. At this stage, your biggest lever isn't cutting expenses, it's earning more. Upskill, negotiate, build a side stream, start small experiments. Fourth, avoid lifestyle inflation. This is where people stall. They upgrade everything the moment they feel comfortable. Comfort is good, overexpansion is not. Let your assets grow faster than your lifestyle. That gap, that's freedom. The bigger picture, $20,000 isn't about the number. It's about crossing from survival mode to strategy mode. Below it, you're stabilizing. Above it, you're building. And once you're building, you're dangerous in the best possible way. Because now you understand that money isn't just something you earn, it's something you deploy, it's something you grow. And when you start thinking like that, the ceiling raises. If this video helped shift how you see $20,000 or motivated you to chase it harder, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Every week we break down money in a way that's simple, practical, and actually empowering. No jargon, no hype, just clear strategies you can use. And if you're comfortable sharing, comment below where you are on your journey. Are you building toward $20,000? Just past it? Already aiming for $50,000? I read the comments and I love seeing the progress happening in real time. Remember, the first milestone builds discipline. The second builds momentum, but after $20,000, you're not just saving anymore, you're building wealth, and that's where everything changes. If you're committed to that journey, subscribe right now so you stay aligned with weekly videos that keep you focused, informed, and moving forward. Your future self will thank you.